Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 5 is going to be respect. Now I know a lot of you guys have heard that word before, either by a parent, a sibling, a teacher. The word respect simply means this: the act of giving attention or showing care. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have our Fast 5 workout, which is going to be 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute break, and then again repeating the same 4 exercises again for a second round. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout is number 1, it's going to be in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, side plank. Our exercise number 1 is going to be in and out. So you're going to put your feet together and you're going to go in, out. So open and close. Open and close, all right? So those are what I call in and outs. Number 2, tuck jumps. What you're gonna do is put your feet kind of about shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump up and try to get your knees to your chest. Looks like that, okay? So you're bringing your, kind of like a cannonball. 3, we got leg raises. So what you're gonna do is get on your bottoms, on your backs, and what you're gonna do is lift your legs up 6 inches and down, up and down. And exercise number 4 is going to be our side planks. So what you're going to do is get to a plank position and then hold yourself up on one side. See how my feet are together? I'm on my forearm, not my elbow, and I'm just going to hold that. You can do that for 15 seconds on your left, 15 seconds on your right, or what you can do is 30 seconds one for the first round and 30 seconds on the other arm for the second round. So stay tuned and we'll do this workout in just a moment. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go in and out. In, out, in, out. 30 seconds. Just do your best. Yeah, 10 more seconds. All right, moving on to tuck jumps. Time. Leg raises on your backs. Let's go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go up and down. Hold it for 3 seconds. Down. Ten more seconds. All right, side planks. I'm gonna go and go 15 on each side. Yeah, most important thing is making sure you're not using your elbow, but you're on your forearm. All right, switch sides. Woo! It's a good first round. We got that 1 minute water break. Remember, round 2, we're gonna go through the same 4 exercises. We'll go from the top. 1, in and outs, 2, tuck jumps, 3, leg raises, and 4, we got our side planks. I really hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 series. This is now Fast 5 number 5. If you have not watched 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that. 10 seconds left. Then we're moving on to round 2. All right, let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. In, out. This round, I want you to push yourself a little bit harder. Everything you guys got. Again, the Fast 5 only takes 5 minutes, but you will get a great workout. 5 seconds left. All right, let's get to those tuck jumps. Don't hold anything back. Everything you got. Time, leg raises. On your backs. And go. All right, let's go. Side planks, side planks. Again, if you did 30 seconds on one side, first round you do the second opposite side. Again, I did 15 on each. So I'm gonna switch. 15 left for the finisher. And time. Awesome job, you guys did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. Again, 4 exercises, 30 seconds, 1 minute water break, and repeat the same 4 exercises again for 30 seconds each, coming out to a total of 5 minutes. If you have not already seen Fast 5 1, 2, 3, or 4, make sure you do that now. I'll go ahead and put that playlist right here in the corner, so make sure you guys check it out. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hats Off. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this fun activity, the only items you're gonna need are a water bottle, a basket, and a hat. So make sure you stay tuned and we'll get to that in just a moment. What you're gonna do is you're gonna kick it off and you're gonna try to make it land on your head. So this is how it looks. Ready? Jump. Almost got it. So you have your students do this about 5 times. Almost again. All right. So I'm gonna do 3 just for this example. I went dominant foot. Now I'm gonna go non-dominant foot. Again, I'll just do 3 for the sake of the video. 1, 2. Ah, just missed it. All right, so that's for level 1. We'll get to level 2 in just a moment. All right, so for level 2, what I'm gonna do is do the same thing, except this time I've added a basket. You can have a box, you can have a grocery shopping bag, whatever you guys have available. You're gonna count 5 steps. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around again, put it on your dominant foot. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it 3 times. That's one. If you wanted to, you can have your students time themselves for 1 minute, see how many times they can make it in 1 minute, or you just have them do it a number of times, let's say 3, 5, or 10. Now we're going to switch it over to my non-dominant foot. Try again 3 times. Again, focusing on a strategy, accuracy, and kicking. Up, gotta kick a little harder. And 3, all right. So that's level 2, we're moving on to level 3. All right, so now for level 3 of hats off, what you're gonna do is still place this hat on your foot. So this time you're gonna try to catch it on top of the water bottle. I'm gonna kick up, and when the hat's in the air, I'm gonna try to catch it and make it land on the water bottle. Oh, well, that counts, I guess. 2. Just missed it. Then I'm gonna switch hands to my non-dominant foot. There you go, that's 1. 2. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of hats off. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know in the comment section what you thought about the activity, how you can modify it, how you can change it up. We'd like to know. Again, use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, because we like to see how your students are responding to this game. So again, use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.